Okay, welcome to another Mesh 3 weekly technicals. We jump into the SPX 500. So if we have a quick look on the monthly, we've got 3 days till closure. As we can see, we've got the prices broken through this important area, which we've seen in the past. We've seen all these big wicks. Important area on the monthly of supply and demand. That you can see right now, the current monthly candle is a nice bullish candle, showing us this big wick to the downside, showing us buying pressure. We've got nice bullish structure as well. We've broken through all these areas and now we're ripping through all these zones on the monthly. So let's go down into the weekly and have a little closer look. Nice bullish structure. Bit of a pullback here, and then we've broken through this area. And then we're starting to establish support, as we can see with this big wick to the downside, where in the past price has been rejecting these areas. Big rejection there. We got rejection over there. Price did manage to break above, but it's pulled straight back down. But right now we're starting to see nice clean structure. We got a bit of an accumulation at this area, and then price is starting to break through now. So a nice previous weekly candle there showing us the buyers are in control. We go down into the daily. Once again, like we see resistance establishing at this area. But just the price has established resistance here. It's pulled back into this 4140 area. Price has tried to break through this area, but it's pulled back and closed above. And then once that's happened, we've got a bit of a liquidity grab here. We've also got a bit of a trend line going on. Prices bounced off that area. And we've not established resistance at the 4200 area. We've broken through it and we've closed above that area. So if we go down into the 4 hour, as you can see, price here, big breakdown. So price at the minute is, see, we got that big move to the downside. We started to establish support of 4130 area. Broken through to the 4140, and this is where we start to establish support before we've made that big move to the upside. Obviously mirroring, if we look to the left, it's pretty much mirrored this move to the downside. We've got that move to the downside, a little bit of a consolidation here, and then once we broke the structure and we've broken out of the range of 4160, prices ripped up and mirrored that move. And now we're looking to see if we can establish support of 4200 before going up to 4245. But looking at that move to the upside, we've got that it's absolutely ripped through all these zones. So if we go down into a 1 hour, yeah, I'd like to see. We could see price establish support of 4200, but looking at these gaps, I'd like to see price come all the way back down into the 4160 range or 4140. So I'd like to see price maybe even establish support of 4175. As I say, we've got this trend line going, so we could see price start to establish support here before starting to take off, giving us our third leg extension. I say with the gaps, with these gaps down below, though, I would like to see price come back and either retest this area here, which is around, let's say, the 4160 area. If price can establish support of 4160, I'll be waiting to see if price can establish support of 4140 before taking off. But yeah. But yeah, say 4200 established support. We'll look to take buys into 4245. Yeah, just looking off this area, we're seeing a lot of resistance established here. Resistance, and then it broke through. We pulled back, resistance, and then we broke out. So I'd like to see 4160 come to get retested before making a bullish move up to 4200. But once again, it's a little bit of choppy price action due to fundamentals at the minute. That's for 4 hour. Yeah, I was seeing this area here. I'll be looking for price to come down, establish support somewhere around that area as mentioned, and we've also got this trend line. So I'd like to see price pull back into somewhere into this range around 4160 before taking buys up into 4200 and potentially up. If we can establish support here, look on adding positions for a break and retest for 4245. But yeah, that's me outlook on S&P.